Hello, dear children. I, Mrs. Gurpreet Kaur Bhatia, welcome you all to the virtual classes of Jet Kids International School, Pusad. So, children, today we are going to learn comprehension part of lesson number 9, which is How the Leaves Came Down. It's a beautiful poem, narrative poem. You can say poem also, wherein we found a talk between father tree and leaves were going to bed. What was the situation? Yes, leaves colors was changing. They were becoming yellow, brown, red. So it shows that the season was changed and trees were about to shed their leaves. So let's talk about the comprehension part. A. Choose the correct option. Number 1. The leaves did not want to go to sleep as. What was the correct option, children? What do you think? They loved to sing. It was a pleasant day. They wanted to listen to a story. Which is the correct option? So, option B. It was a pleasant day. They wanted to live for more time. Yes, they didn't want to go to sleep. So option B is the correct option. Let's see the next question. The leaves wanted to stay until A. Spring, B. The monsoon, C. The next summer. So I hope that you people have read and understood the poem and you can easily find the answers now. So option A is the correct option. The leaves wanted to stay until spring. Which stanza is having? You can mark it. Third question is, when all the leaves came down, the tree was A. Full, B. Bare, C. Heavy. Of course, when the leaves came down, the tree was empty. Empty means alone, or you may say bare. So option B is the correct option. Let's talk about comprehension B. Read these lines from the poem and answer the questions. Number 1. You are getting sleepy, yellow and brown. Yes, very sleepy, little red. It is quite time to go to bed. A. Who says that? The father tree said that. B. Why do you think the speaker addresses the listeners as yellow, brown, and red? Why does the tree call them yellow, brown, and red? What was the reason? Leaves have yellow, red, and brown colors in autumn. So, as per the season, their color was changed. Number 2. White bed clothes heaped upon her arm should come to wrap them safe and warm. Children, teacher explained these lines like it shows life and death, but the meaning in the poem, the meaning of these lines are like, it shows snowfall, because this poem is showing us or is telling us the scenery of western countries wherein there is snowfall and bed clothes is signified as snowfall. Yes, so let's see. White bed clothes. Okay, A, what do understand by white bed clothes there? White bed clothes refers to the snowfall. It seems as if the earth is covered with white bed clothes. Okay. B. Who will be wrapped safe and warm? So the dry leaves fallen on the ground will be wrapped safe and warm in the blanket of snow. Getting, children? So white bed clothes means the earth is also covered with that, and when the leaves will be fallen on the earth, definitely above them there would be again blanket of snowfall, blanket, white blanket. Yes. Next, answer the questions. See, number one, who tells the story of the falling of leaves in the poem? The father tree tells the story of the falling leaves in the poem. Number two, who are yellow, brown, and little red in the poem? Yellow, brown, and little red. Who are they? Are leaves on the father tree. Number three, what do the leaves not want to do? The leaves do not want to go away. They wanted to stay on the tree until the spring. Got it, children? They want to stay because the question is given in the present tense. So your verbs will be in the same tense form. Okay, children? Number four, what happens when the great tree shakes his head? What happens then? When the great tree shakes his head, there is a great fluttering and rustling everywhere. Rustling means, a noise of dry leaves, and fluttering like something moves. Yes, you found the meaning also. Number five, do you think the poem describes children's nature? Give reasons to support your answer. Children, this is personal response question. So what do you understand? You can definitely put your opinions. Okay? I would accept it. But yes, grammatically it should be correct. I hope that you people have understood the comprehension part and would try to write as well. Don't write until the teacher gives. Okay, mark it in the lesson. Yes, and very soon teacher will deliver you the question answers as well. Okay, children. So till then, let's talk about the life skills and values. And here we are going to appreciate nature. Each season has its own importance. Trees look bare when the leaves fall. How do trees look during the spring and the monsoon? Why? Are you getting, children? So we are appreciating nature. All the seasons have their own importance, their own value, and we should definitely appreciate them. If the trees are bare and empty during autumn, so there is, we should not at all get into depression, or we should not at all say like why the trees are sad. No, trees are not getting sad because they also know that they will be again laden with leaves and fruits during spring season. Yes, or pleasant seasons. So I hope that you would be able to answer this question independently. Okay, children? So here I would like to end up this video. Meet you in the next video with some interesting topics, and that is vocabulary of this lesson. Till then, you people mark the answers, learn the poem and understand it. Okay, children? Thank you. Bye-bye. Stay blessed.